Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel a ManyChat subscription. Alright, so first up, you gotta log into your account at app.manychat.com. Once you're in here, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on settings. And then once done in this panel right here, right at the center, just gotta find billing. And here we have subscriptions. Okay, click on subscriptions. And in this section, you will be able to see all of your active subscriptions. You can just easily cancel right here. Okay, you have the cancel subscription button. So you're going to want to click on cancel subscription. And then in the next screen, it will ask you why you wanted to go or why you wanted to cancel your subscription. So just basically select from one of these options. And then once done, just hit on next. And after that, you'll be able to see a big cancel button at the bottom right. So just click on cancel my subscription again. And it says here in the next page, it will say you have requested subscription cancellation. We'll process your request as soon as possible. Well, just go ahead and click on close, or you can go ahead and share feedback. Okay. Now keep in mind that the subscription is not canceled immediately. The status will become pending cancellation. It will be canceled completely at the end of your billing period. Do not worry, you won't be charged for it again. Okay, that is how you cancel your ManyChat subscription. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.